Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a squirrel. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our squirrel, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up and down. And then I'm going to bring this line down and up. I'm going to draw a circle up here. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of this so there's a little bit of a reflection. Next, I'm going to put a curve here and then a little curve here. For the top of the head, let's just draw a line that's going to come up. We'll put a couple little points and bring it over. Then we're going to bring this line out and then curve in for the nose. I'm going to bring this line over and then down here. Next, we're going to bring this line down and we're going to curve this up here for the mouth. Then we're going to bring this line down, make it a little pointy, and we're going to curve it up here for the chin. Next, we're going to make a couple little points just to kind of curve it up. Now, up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to curve it around for the ear of our squirrel. We'll do a few zigzags and a curve. Same thing here, I'm going to come up and then bring it down. Now, starting over here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve it around. We'll put a couple little kind of points on it for fur, and we'll bring it to here. Then I'm going to make a couple little points down here for the neck. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and we're going to go over here. Then for the fingers, we're just going to draw 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps. Next, I'm going to bring this line out, put a couple points on it for the elbow to make it look furry, and then bring it up. Next, I'm going to curve this around for the leg. And then I'm going to bring this down here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out and then back. We'll do another one here. And then one more here for some little toes on our squirrel. Then we're going to bring this up to here. Next, we'll just finish off with the belly of our squirrel and bring it down here. Make a nice little chubby squirrel. We're going to make it look like he's holding an acorn, so we're just going to draw a line that's going to come up, over, and we're just going to bring this down and up. We'll make a little bump on top, and I'll put a little rectangle for the stem. Right here, we're going to curve a little pointed line down for the other leg, and then we'll bring 1 and then 2 little lines out for the toes. Now for the tail. So we're going to keep the tail, we're actually going to start it up here so it looks like it's right next to the body. So we're going to make some really pointy lines that are just going to kind of curve around. And then starting here, I'm going to do the same thing, make these really pointy lines that are just going to curve up to here. And then we're just going to connect this. Next, on the toes, I'm just going to kind of color in a little black dot just for the little claws of our squirrel. And we'll do that on the fingers too. I'm going to make a little line right there for like the cheek. And then I'll put a couple little quick lines on some different spots just to kind of make it look like it's extra furry for our little squirrel. Then I'm going to make a couple little lines here and here for some whiskers. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little squirrel. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.